Hello Rajan, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. How about you?
Yes, I'm fine. Let's go to a farmhouse.
Okay, that sounds interesting. I really think we should go.
Really?
Yep.
Okay, where we are now?
We're now at the cow farm where we can see lots of cows eating grass.
Wow, yes. Look, the little girl. She's enjoying, isn't it?
Yeah, she is.
Okay. Do you like cow?
Yeah, they're really interesting.
Okay, that's good. Okay, now tell about your feelings. What did you do over there?
Basically all we did was just look at the cow, look what they do, and we fed them oranges, as there is an orange garden close to this cow farm. So they mostly just get fed with oranges.
Oh, yes, they like oranges. How's the color? Do you like the color?
Kind of boring. I like those black spotted with white. How they look like Dalmatians. Those are my favorite types of
But
cows.
this pattern is red and white.
Actually, it's a mixture of brown with
Oh,
red.
Not red, brown.
Yep.
Alright, okay. They're eating?
Grass.
Alright, that's
Yellow
good.
grass.
And how many cows did you see over there?
Oh, I think we saw like 7. But from now what you
Who
were
are they?
watching,
Who are they? Look at the picture. Who are they? Think?
I think they're just some people who come here to pick oranges and look at the cows.
Yes. Look. Okay. One family came here. Look at the cow. Wow. Do you think it's the big cow?
Yeah. I haven't seen any babies.
Yeah, I saw one baby. You may see. Look. This, I think. Look. Look.
Yeah, I see. And yeah, that's about it that I know.
Okay. That's good. Do you like this place?
Yeah, it's interesting, nice. The only the bad part is just so hot here and like yes,
Is it?
yeah.
Wow.
And there's
Look.
no fresh water, so if you're gonna go try and get water, it's not gonna happen. You're gonna have to buy water instead.
Yes, you have to buy water. That's good. Look what he is doing.
It's eating grass, or maybe it's brushing like insects off it.
Yeah, brushing mouth, huh?
Mm.
Because they like it.
Yeah.
Look at the eyes. Wow.
We barely even see them blink.
Look what he is doing.
I actually don't know. What do you think it's doing?
His pet. He's doing pet.
Oh, okay.
What he's doing?
It's getting itself to pat.
Good. See, a lot of people, maybe they come from Sydney or Newcastle or around the Sydney.
Or, let's see, South
South
America.
side. They came and look, wow,
Getting itself pet.
yeah, she likes to do this, huh? Especially family.
Yeah.
A lot of family came here. What? Look,
They're eating oranges without even getting them peeled off. That's kind of interesting.
yes, they like oranges, no?
Yes. And they actually do have really good earrings since of their large ears.
They're looking at you.
Yes.
Look!
A little girl is trying to feed them oranges.
See?
I know. It's really interesting, isn't it?
Yes, very interesting. Yes.